man walks alone down an empty road. Streetlights flicker above him, casting long shadows that stretch unnaturally across the ground. A thin layer of fog hugs the pavement, moving slowly, almost as if it's alive. At first, everything feels normal. But then, he senses it. A strange feeling, subtle but undeniable, like someone is behind him. He keeps walking, his footsteps echo in the silence. Then suddenly, there's an extra rhythm, not matching his own. He stops. Silence. He turns around. Nothing. Just an empty road, fading into darkness. He exhales, uneasy. Just my mind, he whispers to himself. He continues walking, but now, faster. The air feels colder. He can see his breath. The streetlights begin to flicker more violently, as if reacting to something unseen. Then, a shadow appears, only for a second, tall, distorted, standing directly behind him under the light. He spins around again. Nothing. But this time, he's sure. Something is there. His heart starts pounding. He reaches for his phone, hands shaking, and drops it on the